Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are again discussing about some Udemy free courses. So before proceeding further, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please do subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's get started. So first course is the Data Science MicroDegree Data Analysis and Visualization. In this course you will learn about intermediate Python programming language and how to create NumPy library and manipulate arrays. Apart from that, you will able to create data visualization using Metaplot library and Seaborn modules in Jupyter. So in this course they are using Jupyter Notebook environment. So you will get to know how to use Jupyter Notebook editor. So if you are enrolling to this course, you must have knowledge about programming, basic programming language or Python programming language. So 4.5 hours is the duration of this course and 4.6 is rating. If you are interested in this topic, then enroll this course. I am highlighting the coupon code, that is enroll for free. So you can refer here, or I am giving the timestamp in the description. So the next course is Entrepreneurial Starter Kit. If you are willing to start your own business or your own company, then you must enroll this course. So in this course they will teaching how to advertise, how to use social media as a marketing. Apart from, they are teaching network sales and customer service, time management and distractions. So if you are interested, then please do enroll. 1.5 hours is the duration of this course and the coupon code is I am highlighting here. Please refer from here. So moving forward to third course is Android App Development Course 2021. In this course they are teaching how to build an Android app without the help of coding. So in this course you will learn how to develop an Android application using Android Studio, how to generate application featured graphics, how to set up Google Play Console account, how to build your own utility application. Apart from that, they are using Android Studio software, so you will get familiar with Android Studio software. So if you are interested in building applications, then please do enroll. 4.5 is the rating of this course and 4.5 hours of course. So I am highlighting the coupon code here. Please do refer, or otherwise I will give it in the description. So please refer from here. So fourth course is Python programming and software design for absolute beginner. So in this course you will learn basics of Python programming and software designing with the help of Python. So if you are interested, then please enroll to this course. The rating of this course is 4.7 and the course duration is 4 hours. So if you are interested, then enroll to this course. I am highlighting the coupon code here. So please do refer here, or I will give it in the description box. So the fifth course is French Level 1, a complete guide to master the French basics. If you are interested in learning new languages, then you must enroll to this course. In this they are teaching how to speak French language fluently. Apart from that, they will teaching how to introduce yourself to others and how to use and understand basic sentences. And also they are teaching how to respond and ask simple questions in French. So if you are interested in learning French language, then enroll to this course. 4.3 is rating of this course and 3 hours is a duration, and they are giving 2 minutes of audio in this course. So the coupon code is free June 21, free hyphen June 21. Refer from here. So otherwise I will give the timestamp of this course in the description. So the next course is English Grammar Master Phrasal Verb for beginners. So if you are poor in grammar, English grammar, then you must enroll to this course. In this course they are teaching how to learn the most used confused phrasal verbs in English language through real situation, which will help you to use easily. So the coupon code of this course is highlighted here. 1.5 hour is a duration of this course and 4.3 is a rating. if you are willing to boost your grammar, then please do enroll to this course. So the next course is Learn English Phonics for Beginners. If you are wishing to speak English fluently, then you must enroll to this course. In this course, you will learn Jolly Phonics, which will make them able to read and write using phonics. You will able to read and write English correctly and fluently. So if you want to boost your English, then please do enroll to this course. 1 hour is the duration of this course and 4.1 is the rating. 2 days left. If you are wishing, then please enroll quickly. So the coupon code is I am highlighting here. So the next course is Visual Studio Code. In this you will get familiar with Visual Studio software, which is a code editor, and you will learn how to download Visual Studio Code for free, how to install in Mac and OS both. Apart from that, you will learn the themes, extensions, task snippets, command lines, JavaScript, HTML, how to code in all languages, how to set up your software. So 5 hours of duration and 3.9 is the rating of this course. If you wanted to get familiar with Visual Studio Code software, then enroll to this course. They are teaching all the concepts in detail, how to use Visual Studio Code editor. So the coupon code is try10 free 62104. Try10 free 62104 is a coupon code. If you are interested, then do enroll to this course. The next 9th course is GitLab. So in this you will learn how to download GitLab on the cloud, version control and collaboration, how to install GitLab, how to get a free trial of 30 days of GitLab. If you are interested in this topic, then please do enroll. The course duration is 2.5 hours and rating is 3.2. So the coupon code is I am highlighting here, the same as the previous. Try 10 free 62104, same as the previous. So the last course is email marketing. If you are wanted to earn money from email marketing, then this course will help you with that. So 36 minutes of duration, you can complete it in a 1 day. So in this, how to monetize your email list, how to earn with your email list, how to market through email, all the concept explained in detail. If you are wanted to earn some money from home, then please do enroll to this course. The coupon code I am highlighting here, please refer here. So that's it for today's video. If you liked this video, then please do share, subscribe, and if you wanted some specific courses, then please do comment in the comment section. I will try to bring it in next video. So thanks for watching.